This is my daughter's 2016 Rogue. It's a Nissan. I think I have a lot, a lot lower opinion of Nissan since she's had this vehicle. I've got a 20-year-old Nissan truck, which is actually what she's driving now since her car is messed up. So I'm going to show you what it's doing. It doesn't want to go in gear. It starts okay. Well, now I've got a check engine light. I didn't have a check engine light the other day. That's weird. Oh, yay. Fun. What I'm getting, put it in gear. Get nothing, put it in reverse. You know, it obviously knows it's supposed to be in reverse because the rear camera comes on, it changes to reverse on the screen, but it does not do anything here. I can go back and forth and I get nothing. Nada. I'm going to show you a little trick here. So we talked about showed you a little bit ago, the car would not go into gear at all. So I found a guy here locally that wants to look at it. He's got an idea that he might be able to fix it. And he was like, well, I can tell you probably the way you'll be able to get it going. No guarantees, but now he, of course, said to do this with the engine running. It's a little sketchy to me. I don't like sticking my hand down in there especially far down in there. But he said, you know, you can find the cable that comes from, let me see if I can show you here. That comes from the gear shift there. You can see it right there. And if you find that, what you can typically do is, now you don't even having to mess with it in there, but you stick your hand down in there and kind of grab a hold of it. See, I can't even see it again there. Get your hand on it, if you can see it right there, and then you just kind of mess with the cable. You can kind of pull it up, pull it around, you know, go as close to the, you know, back and forth, mess with the cable. And so we did this, and my wife was in the car. I did that for a while. She started it up. It wouldn't still go in drive, but it went in reverse. So we're like, okay, something's happening. This is going good. So we turned it off. I messed with it again. Then it went into drive, and we were able to drive it down to the repair shop. Again, I have no idea why that worked. Me, if it won't go into gear, because he was thinking it was a bushing going into the transmission there on the cable. And it turns out that wasn't the case, but it did seem to get it into gear. And I've actually done this again since then. I did it to get it home after he looked at it and couldn't fix it. So there is something weird about grabbing that. So again, I don't think it's obviously not a full-time fix right there, but it is something that may save you if you're all stuck somewhere and can't get it going. It may be able to get the car moving so you can get home or get to a safe place or something. So anyway, good luck with that. Thanks, guys.